The representative from the Minister of Health, Executive Chair for the Fiji Sports Commission, senior officials of both Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Youth and Sports, invited guests, members of the media, and ladies and gentlemen. I am delighted to be here at this joint press conference. I must acknowledge the great and developing partnership between the two ministries, the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Youth and Sports. This Friday, the 8th June, the whole of Fiji will be celebrating the National Sports and Wellness Day. As you have heard, that we have combined these two because of the previous experience that we have making a sports day that majority of the community uses as a social meeting day. So we put on this wellness, we add on wellness day so that they are very particular on the non-communicable disease that Fiji is above Tonga and Samoa, am I right? Yeah. And ladies and gentlemen, the World Health Organization estimates physical inactivity is responsible to 2 million deaths annually. That is the global figure. It further estimates that fewer than 1/3 of young people in countries around the world are adequately active to ensure their present and future health and well-being. The Fiji government recognizes the effect of a non-communicable disease in Fiji, the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Youth and Sports, and our stakeholders cannot ever overemphasize the need to stay healthy and physically active. The Ministry of Youth and Sports is reviewing the national sports and physical activity. This is the policy, and through the revised policy, sports and physical activity will be harnessed to achieve its full impact as a generator of social change. The revised policy support mass participation on community-based activity as they easily leads to producing a healthy population, since sports and physical activity have positive effects on both individual, the economy, and the society in general. Last Thursday, together with the Ministry of Education, we handed over a newly developed school ground at Corbuto College in Nadi. This is based on the knowledge that children, especially students and the young people, are an important part of sports development. The revised policy wishes to strengthen physical education in schools, to provide more sporting and healthy opportunity at an early age of Fijian students, including students with special educational needs and disabilities. We are working together with the Education Ministry to promote quality and physical education as the key component of the school curriculum and as a tool for healthy living. However, physical activity cannot be limited in the classroom, in schools, but we have been going out to communities, reaching out and doing awareness well ahead of our 30th June holiday. I want to take this opportunity to make a general appeal to all Fijians, organizations, villages, clubs, to find an opportunity on the 30th June to participate in any form of activity in sports, despite of our age, background, gender or ability. Wherever we find ourselves on this day, sport and physical activity are essential to preventing illness and combating NCDs, and must be combined with a good nutritional diet to have a real and lasting impact. This day is for communities to come together and actively participate, cheer and bask in fun-filled activities without competition. In the Lau Group the last 2 weeks, we have covered almost the SS Moala, Ongea, Onelau, even right to Onelau, and we telling them the importance of the 30th of June holiday, which is we giving them sporting equipment so that they can do sports and wellness program on that day. As I've said, as I've alluded before, the Health and Youth and Sports Ministry hope that after 30th June, every Fijian will realize the positive impact and the influence of regular physical activity in our lives, economy, and society. We want every Fijian to value sports and physical activity as they can literally reshape the health status of our community and nation. With those words, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank you again for your presence today.